Hey, my name is Owen Edwards with Skid Steer Attachment Depot. Today we're going to look at the Rock Bucket Grapple. This grapple comes in a 72-inch and an 80-inch model. The 72-inch model weighs 790 pounds, where the 80-inch model weighs 875 pounds. These are heavy-duty grapples with greasable pivot points. These cylinders are 2 inches by 10 inches and have a PSI rating of 3,000. The tines down below are spaced 3 inches apart and are made with 3/8-inch metal. The sides have 1/2-inch metal, and then the tongs have 5/8-inch metal. The teeth on the bottom are a Pingo brand, weld-on tooth and shank with replaceable teeth. And now I'm going to get into this machine and let you guys see it operate.